We're going to work with one function right now, and that's flexion and extensions. So extending the feet can help engage the tips as you come over the front side of a mogul, as well as pulling the heels back. And then flexing the feet can help keep the inside foot underneath the body as you approach the back side of a mogul. There's a coordination and timing of this function. It seems pretty natural, but if you flap these with me, and then if we take them out to the side a little bit and flap them out, what you'll have is when you're making a turn, you'll have this, keep these flexed and gripped right now. Okay, so we'll be pulling our feet up, especially this inside one up, kind of like clearing the mountain and helping direct and guide and steer. As in this picture, the inside foot is flexed, finishing a turn just before rolling the knees or up and waiting. And then keep pulling on these, gripping. I'm feeling some grip. Okay, and then I'll be pushing and on the big toe edge of the left foot, pushing and steering this way and pushing on the right foot. The ankle is flexed, and then you're jumping just like in basketball off your toes. And then coming down, the ankles will flex again, and you're up and waiting, extending that ankle, and done. And pushing, and pushing, and pushing. Okay, so it could be like pedaling. We activate these muscles. We don't necessarily get this full range of motion in the boots, but we activate these muscle systems because of the forces in skiing. Okay, so find some coordination with this extension and flexion from foot to foot. And have fun with up and waiting, using your ankles, extending and flexing. Extending, extending, nice.